is spicy in here. We have delicious fake chicken, delicious cheese, pepper jack mixed with some mozzarella, tomato, onion, spinach. So good. Hey Sammy fam, today we are going to make a vegetarian bacon chicken ranch, and it's going to be super delicious, homemade ranch, everything. But before that, can you go ahead and like the video? That really helps out with the algorithm. And could you leave a long-winded comment? Just tell me about your day, tell me about something going on in your life, whatever's important to you, and I will make sure to respond to it. And the algorithm loves that, and I love it too because it's just entertaining to read. So let's start by getting our not chicken in the oven. I'm using these Simulant nuggets. They're so tasty. There's also a spicy version of them that I super duper love, but they're sold out because they're so good. So we're gonna use the regular version and just make our ranch sauce a little bit spicy. They super taste like a chicken nugget. They have a nice coating to them. It'll be a nice little crunch inside of our wrap. Oh, these two are stuck together. Come on, baby. Fine, be that way. And they cook at 425 for about 13 minutes. Cool. I'll probably bake them a little bit longer because I like them crispy. Now let's make our ranch. So first step in ranch is going to be our wet ingredients. I'm using mayo. I like to use Kewpie mayo. Think of this as more of a guideline, a framework that you can make changes within to make a ranch your own style. This is just one of the ways I like it. Not a lot of mayo left in there. We may need a little bit more to make this thick, so let's open up a new one. Now that's some mayo. So give it a nice little tanginess. Classic buttermilk ranch flavor. That's probably enough. I'm aiming for like pretty much equal parts buttermilk, mayo, and sour cream here. It always freaks me out. This Faye has this little protective thing on top, paper, and I think something's wrong with the sour cream when I first open it. Cool beans. I like some smokiness. I like some Worcestershire sauce. More savoriness. Rip off these, split that in half, and we'll cut off the end. You can just put them in as, big longs like this, as long as they fit into your blender thing. I find that they act as a stirring mechanism. They help mix everything together all the way through real quick. Put in 2 cloves of garlic. Cayenne. Probably good. White pepper. of some fresh parsley. Make sure this isn't sandy. Put this on the blender. It tastes delicious, so savory, smoky. Already tastes a little bit bacony from that smoky savoriness. I'm gonna add a little bit more mayonnaise to help thicken it up. Oh. Got a little bit extra. Beautiful. Okay, for other ingredients, we're gonna have some of these cute little tomatoes. I'm just gonna cut them in half. Or something like that. Chop up some red onion. I have some pepper jack already shredded, ready to go. And I have this nice low moisture mozzarella that'll melt really good. I'm just gonna slice off a few little bits of it. You could use pretty much any cheese on this that isn't too highbrow, you know. Cheeses that a cheesemonger might look down on. Anything that has peppers embedded in it. Pepper jack, some other kind of like habanero cheese or something that would be really good. Mozzarella, of course, for its creaminess. Just plain old cheddar, and even American cheese would actually really do with this. Whatever you're in the mood for, all those flavors would work. This mozzarella is so creamy. I got some spinach, and I have these bacon bits. They're just made from like soy food coloring, smoke flavor, caramel color, oil and salt. So they're vegan, but they taste bacony and they have such a wonderful crunch. I love it. And sun-dried tomato basil wraps. Thought that'd be really fun. We're gonna grill this all together so it's all melty and awesome. Okay, so I think we have some nice crispy chicken bites ready to go here. Yeah, that is hot. I had to move all my toppings to a little staging area so I had room to do the wraps. Start with a little bed of lettuce. Not lettuce, spinach. A few tomato. A little bit of cheese. Onions. Pepper jack cheese. Bacon bits. Our Nomnom ranch. This little cap thing, so there we go. You know what? I'm gonna add a little Tabasco too. tuck and roll. They don't have to be perfect, they just have to stay put. The elevator's broken in my building, so you can hear a whole bunch of people yelling in the background about how the car is going crazy and it won't stop. So hopefully that gets fixed. It sounds very dangerous. All right, let's get these grilled. Using a nonstick pan, but I'll still use a little bit of olive oil. Get that on high heat. Probably do 2 at a time. Crisp up the cut side first, so it'll hold itself together when I flip it. All right, once they start to brown and crisp up, we'll give them a flip. That looks beautiful. That's exactly what I want. That'll help melt all the cheese inside and make it just super hot and good. I love this kind of food. It's easy, it's delicious. You can have some creativity with your sauce and your seasonings and, you know, your other toppings and stuff. But it's still like, it's so simple. Not everything needs to be flashy. Look at that. I gotta dig into this. It's so juicy.